Something happened with the recording. Who pressed the button again?
Whatever, it's going right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it on.
Sorry, we're gonna have a part two type thing, but yeah.
Sure.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
No, more.
Keep going.
No.
Keep going. No, I can go more.
It's putting more in it when you stop it like that. Fast. I'll tell you.
Keep going. We'll tell you when.
All the way.
Ball.
It puts out more air when you do that. Make it a pop.
Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna. Rut.
I want to throw this baby.
No, it's mine.
Okay, can I throw the next one, Lane?
Kerplunk, yeah.
Okay, then the next one's mine.
No,
Why?
because you don't get to be in this video.
You got to see, your hair got to start in the video. You got like one glimpse of it.
Cam. See, this is my creepy brother. Okay, here we go. Let's hope it doesn't pop. Wait, let's do
Chill!
peanut butter.
This is the giant balloon. Why does it drop my foot chase?
Do it to me.
Let's see me throw it up in the air.
No. Wait. I have an idea. Let's throw it at Cam.
This it weighs 50 pounds.
Oh, does it? We didn't weigh it.
It's harder for me to carry the thing.
Get on the chair. Throw it in the sky. I'm gonna get on the trampoline.
Stay right there, Cam!
Lifting. Ready?
Set. Oh. Oh, wow,
That
it's a
weighs
puddle.
like 10 pounds.
That was huge. See, look at the remains. It's barely even remains. See, look at.
Okay, how
What?
much time is on there, Lil?
That was 2 minutes.
Okay, we need to take a picture.
2 more minutes. Kinda. You're on video, you know, and this is going on YouTube. Someone's gonna know how mean you are. Ooh.
Help me,
Help me.
hi.
Wait, no, budge. It's Amber, I gotta do that.
What are you doing now?
Can I throw it the next time?
Yeah, that's what I said. I said Chase gets to throw it this time.
Okay, let me introduce myself.
Here is Chase Johnson.
He's very weird. Don't talk to him.
He goes to. I'm not telling you what school he goes to, you freaks. You freaks! If you want to know, you have to be friends with him. Yeah, what now?
My favorite character on
DBZ, yeah.
Yeah, but I also like, my favorite food is a well-done hamburger, not McDonald's. They taste like...
McDonald's. Oh, if we say anything bad about McDonald's, they'll hunt us down and not give us any burgers. What? Where? Ew.
I actually like Denny's hamburgers.
Okay.
We're all very weird. Why are we talking about food? No, I got that one.
I want you to
Bacon
No, I
sticks!
got that one.
pick a different one.
But it's my balloons. My brother is mean. He is very mean. Don't talk to him.
I'm surprised I've been his friend for 4 years.
Surprise, you're my friend, you freak.
Super rad, it's 1, 2, 3.
Big old building.
That's what Bob said for. I know it's very random why we're doing it in this water balloon video, but Bob is a big. Here, hold this so they can see me. Bob is a big old building. Ha! Moving building.
Rouge the bat!
Hey, do you know what
Nobody
Bobby?
cares.
Nobody cares about you. Do you know what Bobby means? Big old building by you. Ooh, what now?
Isn't that cool?
Yep, I made it up. Broly the legendary Super Saiyan! Please send us comments and watch all of our videos. Don't watch the Pokemon ones. I'm just kidding. Watch them all.
Pokemon ones are actually funny.
We're random. Very, very random like swings. Swing set. Swing set.
Turn it off, turn it off!
Oh my god!
It's like the Blair Witch Project.
I'm also
Yeah.
gonna wonder why we're all wet.
Except me.
Yeah, it's probably a good thing that you're not wet.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to stink your home.
I would sue you.
You can't sue me for getting you wet, you weirdo. Just one.
Don't blow that one up.
Blow it up.
Might be
Turn
slow.
it on, turn it on.
Make mine long.
No, get the black, get the silver one down. It's the last one we have.
No, that's white.
No, that one's broken.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Turn it on, turn it on. Hey, do you guys want to know a joke while we're waiting?
No, because I haven't got it on.
I have a thing. Why do I get the apple?
Quite low.
Apple. Okay, ready, set.
Why do I get an apple?
You're an apple.
Like apple.
You stop when you want to.
Did.
Really? You could go more.
There's poo on your shoe.
No, can't set up. Put it up.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, that is. That's brown.
There.
On your
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Yeah, there's poo over here. It's nasty.
Oh, why did I step on it?
Even though
We
we don't.
have some fresh cookies.
Cookies.
Hold this.
Okay, just a sec.
Why don't I get the apple?
No. You might not. Wait, which one do you want?
I want a long one.